Take a look at the most dramatic expression of Mercury's dream car design, the 1957 Turnpike Cruiser. In today's video, we will be highlighting the average speed computer clock. So join us. More than just a precision electric analog clock, located in Mercury's new monitor control display panel, the average speed computer clock combines a precision electric clock with sweep second hand, a trip mileage indicator, and an elapsed time indicator. Top adjustment buttons set the clock hands, while the bottom button serves two purposes. The out position regulates elapsed time indicators, and from the in position, you can set your trip mileage. You can tell at a glance the distance traveled and quickly calculate your average speed. Alrighty, and that does conclude our video. If you like this and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and of course, check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.